Hey guys, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. It's Trade Clever, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to successfully connect your broker app to your MT5 trading app. So to get started, check in the description below for a recommended broker link. Once you get to click on the link and it loads up in your browser, you want to be able to register to create an account. And since we already have an account, would automatically just sign in and get in our login details, which we can use to connect to our MT5 trading app. Go ahead and sign in since I already have an account, and then type in my email and then add my password here. Alright, so once you successfully signed into your account, for you to be able to get in your login details, I'd go ahead and open a new account, and then we want to create a standard account and would select MT5, which is the recommended, and then continue, and then select a max leverage of 1 to 2,000. The currency is in USD, and the account name could be any name, so we could call that Trade with Clever. And then we want to create a password. Alright, so I would go ahead and create a password. So once those details are added, our account will be created, and you can see that has been created successfully. Once that is done, to get the details to log into our account, we'll click on more and then go to account information, and you can see the details at the bottom. What we need is the server and then the MT5 login details. So I'll copy the server and then open my MT5 trading app, and then add that from settings, click on the name, and then the top right I'll click on the plus, and then click on Exness and get to choose the server. Okay, I'll get to search for Exness. Yep, Exness. And then we want to get the exact server name, which is MT5 trial 9. So I'll click on here and select MT5 trial 9, and then copy the MT5 login and then paste that in the login session here. And then finally the password which we updated, I'll get to type that in here. Once that is correctly added, you can see we have Trade with Clever on here, and you can see the account balance of 500, which is also similar to what we have here on our account. So that's how we are able to successfully connect our trading app with our broker app. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment what other video we should be making next. Thank you.